Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about top 10 things to know about rhinoplasty in Iran. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Rhinoplasty is the most popular cosmetic surgical procedure in Iran. Akbari Sari al. in 2011 reported 180 cases of rhinoplasty per 100,000 populations, a total of 134,766 surgeries per year. This is considered as one of the world's highest rates of rhinoplasty. Because of the Islamic dress code for women practiced in Iran, which leaves only their faces exposed, the nose is very prominent. Thus, rhinoplasty has become the most popular plastic procedure in the country. More recently, young men also are pursuing rhinoplasty, and some of them for the second or third time. You might get surprised to know some facts about Iran. While you may have developed some negative thoughts as a result of daily news in media, you should get to know that expectations and reality about Iran are entirely two different things. Here are the 10 things to know about rhinoplasty in Iran. Number 10. Evaluation of personality traits and expectations of these patients are necessary before operation, because many of them have body dysmorphic disorder and mental abnormality. 3. For these candidates may be complicated and dissatisfied after surgery. Nowadays in Iran, nose job is not just a cosmetic surgery to correct aesthetic defects. It has become a part of a fashion trend. Many consider a nose job a luxury to show their financial power and make girls marriageable. Others wish to boost their self-confidence. Number 9. Even during the recent economic crisis, some take to heavy bank loans to afford a rhinoplasty. Although Iran is named the rhinoplasty capital of the world, 5 to 8 most of the rhinoplasty procedures are done by unlicensed practitioners that cause some health and social problems. Iran's medical council does not interfere with these operations that were done by non-qualified physicians unless malpractice suits are filed, and increasing rates of post-rhinoplasty complications are being seen. Resources and seems hard to stop. So after the wave of rhinoplasty operations, now Iran has to deal with the tsunami of post-surgery complications that can be a health and ethical issue that should be considered by authorities in Iran's medical council. Number 8. In spite of being considered a conservative society, several Iranians are willing to go under the knife to enhance their looks. Traditionally associated with the Aryan race, both Iranian men and women are becoming increasingly obsessed with physical beauty. In Iran, the beauty business is on an all-time high, with a growing demand for plastic surgeons. Although Iranian Society of Plastic Surgeons have complaints regarding to unethical intervention of non-qualified physicians in cosmetic procedures, but because of the lack of clear rules as well as financial incentives and other problems, other medical groups have involved in aesthetic surgery without any specialized training. To resolve this social dilemma of malpractice, Iran's medical council should reconsider its approach to this serious medical problems and prevent from this medical errors. Today, rhinoplasty is not only a simple cosmetic or mental problem, but also, as days go by, is becoming an epidemic in Iran, wasting a lot of financial and human. Number 7. Iran has been ranked one of the top countries when it comes to cases of rhinoplasty nose surgery. It has been estimated that as many as 200,000 Iranians, mostly women, go to cosmetic surgeons each year to reduce the size of their nose. Unlike several Western countries, rhinoplasty, Botox on lips, or sculptured cheekbones are affordable in Iran. One is more likely to spot a man or a woman with a plastered nose easily, while taking a walk in the streets of Iran. At roughly $500 for rhinoplasty, the cosmetic tourism is on a high demand from Iran's neighboring countries as well. Number 6. Marrayam, a 30-year-old government employee, told India Today TV that her friend got a rhinoplasty done to look good. Several women in Iran go under the knife before they get married. Sana, a college student, told India Today TV that nose job is the most happening fashion trend in Iran. With Facebook and Twitter banned in the country, Iranians don't mind posting pictures on Instagram with a band-aid on their nose after a recent cosmetic surgery. Sahar Tabar, the Iranian Instagram influencer who shot to fame for her numerous cosmetic surgeries, earlier said that she considered her appearance as an art. She said it is a way of self-expression. Number 5. Iran has changed. Dr. Masume Ebteka, Vice President for Women and Family Affairs of Iran, spoke to India Today TV about the rage of plastic surgeries in Iran. Iran has changed, Masume Ebteka said. We have so many surgeons. We have access to medical facilities and improvement in quality of life. Plastic surgery is a growing industry in Iran. Low prices and high-quality services by Iranian plastic surgeons have enticed many tourists into traveling to Iran. Some of the travel agents even offer packages like Iran Plastic Surgery Tour Package and Iran Cosmetic Surgery Tour Package. With state-of-the-art equipment available, Iranian specialists offer surgeries such as rhinoplasty, cosmetic eyelid surgery, cheek implants, chin implant, Botox injection, breast augmentation, liposuction, aesthetic surgery or even a facelift. Number 4. Out of all the cosmetic surgeries, rhinoplasty has a high success rate. Several travel websites have forum discussions on Iran as the destination for the rhinoplasty. The cost of rhinoplasty in Iran is divided into different sections: hospital fees, medicines at the hospital and after discharge from the hospital, transportation fees, and the follow-up visits with the plastic surgeons. But overall, the nose job in Iran is much cheaper than other countries like the US and the UK. The approximate cost of a nose job surgery in Iran is €1,000 to €5,000. In fact, by having your nose job in Iran, you can save up to 80%. It is important to know that the cost of a second nose job, for revision, is usually a little bit higher than the primary one. Are they board certified? What memberships and affiliations do they have internationally? How many plastic surgeries and years of experience do they have? How many languages do they speak? Number 3. Iranian plastic surgeons, especially nose job surgeons, are among the world's most skilled, experienced and prolific ones. The reason why they are so much professional is because of their long years of hard work and experience. For example, an average nose surgeon performs 100 surgeries a month in Tehran. Some of Iran's most popular surgeons perform up to 5 operations in one day. Iranian nose job doctors deal with very various noses in different cases. This increases their ability to operate with different shapes and deformities on the noses. In Tehran and Shiraz, specifically, the best nose job surgeons perform the surgeries. You can find in these two cities the best quality and hospital services for a nose job. You will have our recommended specialist's curriculum vitae, IDs and certificate by contacting the specialist. Number 1. Satisfactory post-operation noses after a rhinoplasty depend on many factors. Among them is the doctor's taste for beauty, which should overlap with yours. Take this step as serious as possible. Finding a specialist is a very imperative process. Our advice is to consult with a reliable travel agency, and also go through a complete Google search about the doctor's previous works, and her aesthetic point of view. If you liked it, then it's time to trust. Type of your nose is a significant factor in determining the results of the operation, and the cost of your surgery. Therefore, you have to discuss the issue with your doctor before the operation. Rhinoplasty is only recommended to those who are in good general condition and at a proper age. If you have any breathing problems or involved in birth defects or injury, it would not be suggested for you. You must first collect your media files and IDs and send them to Medotrip's experts. By doing this, you can obtain more information about the nose job surgery in Iran by consulting with Medotrip's specialists. Before the surgery, you can see the result of your nose job through Photoshop, so you can make a better decision. What do you think of our list? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.